Hi and welcome to the Crochet Circle. My name is Alex and today I want to show you how to change colors when doing your flowers. So in the previous video I showed you how to make a 5-petal flower all in the same color. Now I'm gonna use the same pattern, just change color for the petals. So let's begin. I'm gonna do a magic ring, chain 1, tighten up the magic ring and do 5 single crochets in the magic ring. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm gonna close the magic ring up and with a slip stitch I'm gonna join the circle. Now in the next round we're gonna increase 2 in each of the 5 single crochets. So at the end we're gonna have 10 single crochets. First chain 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now for joining the round we want to change the colors. I'm still gonna put the crochet hook in. I'm gonna lose the pink color. I'm gonna stake the second color and slip the second color through the chains. Now you have to kind of hold on tight to both of those loose ends and we can start with the second color. So it's gonna be chain 3, 1, 2, 3, triple crochet in the next stitch, triple crochet in the same stitch, and another triple crochet in the same stitch. We're gonna do chain 3 and a slip stitch in the next stitch. Now all you have to do is repeat the same process. So it's chain 3, 3 triple crochets in the next stitch. That's 1, 2, 3, chain 3 and a slip stitch in the next stitch. 2 petals down, triple crochets, 1, 2, and 3, chain 3, and a slip stitch. That's 3 petals. Again, we start with chain 3, 3 triple crochets in the next stitch. That's the second one and the third one. Chain 3 and a slip stitch. Chain 3, 3 triple crochets in the next stitch. That's 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna do chain 3. Okay, you can see here the stitch got a bit loose, so I'm gonna just pull the string tight and I have to do the slip stitch where the yellow one was coming from. So I'm gonna stitch in, do a slip stitch, and then chain 1. Cut the yarn over, pull it through, and that's it. Cut the pink yarn off as well. Now all I have to do is pull on all the strings and knot it together. I always do a double knot. Now just the pink one that is still loose. I just take one of the yellow ones and do a knot. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like. If you want to see more of me, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.